pang export dito.
Archer and ambition. An 18th birthday marks almost the steps from youth to young adult, with all its relative responsibilities, to join us. Her voice rather is an angel. Her smile bears no limit. Her heart is unafraid. Her mind is ready to try. She's ready to try any adventure for the sake of fun and friendship. More refined than shy, more adventurous than playful, more charismatic than charming, more alluring than beautiful. Indeed, she has grown up, and what a sight she has become.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome our lovely debutante, Princess Dawn Briagas Ronquillo.
To visit a place, local or international, where do you want to go?
Korea.
Korea. So let's presume Princess.
For your attention while our cabin crew demonstrates the safety features on this flight. Please raise both hands out in the sky. Now slowly wave from the left to the right. Left, right.
To witness this tradition. Can you show your slippers, Princess? And may I ask you to please sit down? Sabi nga po nila, ang unang hakbang natin, minsan wala po tayong sapin, hanggang sa natuto po tayong magsuot ng tsinelas. And now, this will symbolize as you take your journey into adulthood. This is our shoe tradition. Miss Erica, please. Miss Erica Karingal is replacing the slippers with elegant high heels. It's the beginning of Princess's journey into adulthood. Let's give our debutante a big round of applause. And of course, Miss Erica, I want you to take this opportunity to express your warmest thanks and message to all of us.
Maganda at mapapalang gabi. Sorry, nanginginig ako. Siguro naman sa lahat ng may mga anak ay naiiyak at ganito rin yung mararamdaman pag nakita natin yung anak natin na ganito, na tatawid, magkakaroon na siya ng panibagong journey sa buhay niya. But still, tayong mga magulang nandito pa rin para gumabay sa kanya. Mga mahal kong pamilya at mga kaibigan, alam po natin.
Please hand over this beautiful bouquet of flowers as a symbol of your love to your daughter. Palakpakan po natin. How about a kiss, Daddy? A round of applause. Now I'm handing over the microphone and let's hear a message from Captain Donald G. Ronquillo.
Magandang gabi, ladies and gentlemen, family and friends. Welcome to the celebration of my daughter's 18th birthday. Tonight, we gathered to mark a significant milestone as she embarks on a new chapter of her life. As we come together to celebrate this special day, I want to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you for being part of Princess' journey. Your presence here tonight means the world to her and to us as family. We are honored to share this in a toast to Princess on this special day. May she continue to grow in wisdom, kindness, and courage. May she always remember the love and support that surround her, and may she always stay true to herself. Cheers!
Happy birthday to you. I want you to clap your hands, come on. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Let's do it as happy as we can, come on. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Princess, before you blow your candle, sabi nga, minsan may mga wish tayo na pwede nating i-share sa iba, but we also have wishes that we keep to ourselves. If given the chance, what would be that message or wish or prayer na pwede naming malaman?
I just want everyone to be happy. My family, my friends, and especially me, of course. I think that's really it. I don't want to share more. I don't want to, I don't.
Wow, what a selfless birthday wish. Now, minsan pwede rin tayo maging selfish. It's now time for you to keep that prayer for yourself and make a wish. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen! Palakpakan po natin ang ating napakaganda.
Thinking about me, but there's nothing to consider. If I let you in my circle, you open up. Cause I'm dead, you're driving crazy. You're getting me alone, you're thinking maybe supernatural, you understand what's hard. Get to a first of all, I'm not like this other girls at all. I'm the type of girl that make you forget that you got it. Type that make you love me when the only thing you done is I'm the type of girl, I'm the type of girl, I'm the type of girl, I'm the type of girl. Everything on me, I'ma treat myself, I'ma spend it on myself, I'ma drop it like it's pouring, I'ma pour it on myself. Check, 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 money make your bank account number. That's that shit that's never getting bounced on your bitch. I do the money this, I just made 100 best. When the stars inside for it, I'ma leave my autograph. Dollar bills,